Hello, and welcome to your daily English shadowing practice. In this video, you will hear slow, clear sentences first. Then you will hear the natural speed version. Your job is to repeat each sentence out loud. Speak with me, not after me. Ready? Let's begin. Chapter 1. Morning Talk. Repeat after me. I'm awake. Time to start the day. I'll brush my teeth first. Now I'm washing my face. What should I wear today? I think I'll wear something comfortable. Let me make some breakfast. Chapter 2. Breakfast and Small Talk. Now let's move on to small family talk. Repeat after me. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I'm making some tea. Want some? What are your plans today? Let's go grocery shopping later. I'll make toast and eggs. Don't forget to take your keys. Well done. Chapter 3. On the way, commute. Let's move on to the next chapter. I'm walking to the bus stop. The weather is nice today. I see some kids going to school. The bus is here. I hope it's not too crowded. I'll sit near the window. I'll listen to music. Good job, you're doing great. Chapter 4. Office or workplace. Let's move on to the next chapter. Good morning, everyone. Let's start the meeting. I have finished the report. Can you check this email for me? What time is the lunch break? I'll get a coffee first. Let's talk after the meeting. Nice, keep it up. Chapter 5. Shopping conversation. Let's move on to another chapter. Excuse me, how much is this? Do you have this in a medium size? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Thank you. Have a nice day. You did great in this chapter. Now let's move on to next chapter 6. Eating out. Table for 2, please. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'll have the pasta. Could I get some water too? This tastes really good. Can we get the bill, please? Very well done. Let's move on to next chapter 7. Phone call practice. Hello, this is Sarah. Can I speak to John, please? I'll call you back in 10 minutes. Sorry, I missed your call. Can we talk tomorrow morning? Thank you. Talk to you soon. Chapter 8. Meeting a friend. Hey, it's been a while. How have you been? I missed hanging out with you. Let's grab some coffee. How's work these days? We should do this more often. Good job here. Chapter 9. At the doctor. I have a fever and a sore throat. I've been sick for 2 days. Do I need any medicine? How long should I rest? Thank you, doctor. I'll follow the instructions. You very well done. Chapter 10, Night Routine and Reflections. I'm getting ready for bed. Today was a busy day. I did my best. I learned something new today. Tomorrow is a fresh start. Good night. See you tomorrow. Narrator, natural speed. I'm getting ready for bed. Today was a busy day. I did my best. I learned something new today. Tomorrow is a fresh start. Good night. See you tomorrow. This is it. You did amazing today. Practice this video again tomorrow. Pause, shadow, and speak aloud. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. English is a journey, and you're making progress every day. See you in the next practice. Keep speaking.